Hi, how's it going, everybody? It's Mr. Felipe. As you can see, we are showing you a screencast of our presentation of what you guys are going to do today. All right, so already at the Prezi.com, and as you can see, I've already logged in to my account. So once you guys log in, you guys go ahead and create a new presentation. You go ahead and click on that. So it takes you to either a blank screen, so like a blank template, or pre-made templates that you guys can already use. So in this case, I'm going to pick the roadmap. You guys could search for other templates, or you could start a blank presentation. But for this, I'm going to click on the roadmap. So when you guys get to this point, you guys can add a title of your unit of measure. So in this case, I'm going to do yards. You could click the title and tell me who is it by. By Mr. Felipe. And that could be it for your cover page. So you could start off by going to your first page, and you could see a screen that you can add text. You could add more text boxes. You could also click, and you could type into there if you wanted to, yards and what it is. So you could click anywhere in the box and add a text box if you want. Also, if you want, you can insert. You can go look for images, shapes, YouTube videos, anything that you want to put on your slide, you can. So if you already have pre-saved images, you can click on images and you can click that into your presentation. All right, you can make it bigger or smaller by using the corners of the picture to make it bigger or smaller, and you could caption it by clicking either under the picture to create a new text box, or just add the text in yourself. So what can be measured by yards? And you could change this to a basketball court can be measured in yards, and thus forth. So you can do that. Once you are done, you go on to the next one, use your criteria, see what you guys can click and add any information. You could do conversions. Then you could add text boxes, like how you can convert yards into feet. So for example, we know that 3 feet are in a yard. So we could type that in, 3 feet equal 1 yard. And you could also expand on that by telling me how many feet are in 5 yards. So you can show that either by multiplication, like how you did it. So we multiply 3 feet multiplied by 5, and that gives us 15 feet equal 5 yards. So that is something that you can do. You don't have to have all of these different text boxes. You can have them if you want. All right. So when you are done, you can show your presentation. You can edit the path. Then you could press present when you're done to see what it finally looks like. So you could use the arrows. It'll zoom in to what you already did, conversions, and your other information in your boxes. All right. So that is how you guys are going to do your presentations. You could exit out once you are finished, and you guys could click exit, and that will save your presentation. At the very end, you could save and copy. You could edit it some more, and you could also share it and present it if you wanted to. All right, so that is your screencast for today. Hope you found this helpful. Hope you guys have a good project. All right, goodbye.